Welcome back to another video. We've made it to 500 subscribers. That's wow, yeah. That's completely amazing, and it's something that I didn't think would happen. Sorry about the lighting. I think it's going a few different shades of colour, but we'll carry on. So as you guessed from the title and thumbnail, we're giving away some 3D resin number plates courtesy of Titan Plates. Now, to say this is to show my appreciation for you guys watching my videos. Whether you've been following me for from the beginning, or whether you've just joined. I know a few of you have done, so you joined just in time. Whether you've been following me from the beginning or just recently, much appreciated. I say I've got a lot more content coming. Hopefully, when it gets a bit warmer, because it is a bit cold at the moment. But right, as I say, the competition, there's a few rules which we need to go through, which are quite easy, but you must follow them, because any that you don't do, your entry will become void. So the first one is you must be a subscriber of my channel. So you need to ring that bell to let you know of the results video and of course any other videos, so you can watch the video and see if you've won. I'm not going to chase you down, track you down to let you know. It's your responsibility. It's up to you to watch the video. So secondly, you need to leave a comment which starts Titan Plates and then the 2 dots, the colon, and then any message you want. It could be why you want the plates, why you should win, or just a simple message, but it has to begin Titan Plates. If it doesn't start with that, then again your entry is void when we use the comment picker. Now, the absolute main thing that you must do is go to the Titan Plates Instagram page, which I'll put either on here or down below, and you must give them a follow. When we've done the draw, the comment picker, and we see who's won, we will be checking to make sure that all these have been abided to, so don't forget to do each one. I'll let this run for a week or so. I'll see how many replies. Hopefully should get a few, make it a nice competition. Also, if you don't want to wait or you're looking to buy some plates now, you can go straight to their website, which again I'll put here and down below, and you can use this discount code, which is FF04ORD10, all in capitals, which will give you 10% off anything on their website. So that's if you don't want to wait or you just want to go ahead and get a set or anything that you see on there. Titan Plates do show plates as well. They are 100% legal, authorised by the DVLA supplier of plates. So they're all good. They come with all the markings, so you shouldn't have any issues. They're not it's not just a random guy in a shed that sells plates on eBay. So you've got that confidence. Also, don't forget whoever wins, as these are number plates, as when you buy them anywhere, apart from eBay, maybe some dodgy people. You may need proof of ownership of the plate, so you may need to take a photo of your V5 and something else which I forget, but I'll put that in maybe somewhere around here as well. So don't forget about that. So don't forget to share this video around. Obviously, the more people that we can enter, can make it a nice big competition. Hopefully someone will walk away with a nice set of plates. So that's it from me, because it's really cold at the moment in here. So good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.